$364,000. This is how much beginners can make using the strategy shared in this video. This is simple, step by step. Any beginner can do it. In fact, beginners are doing it. We'll show you step by step how you do it. And you don't need technical knowledge, you don't need experience, you don't need a website or hosting server, you don't need a mailing list, you don't need social following. All you need is to watch this video from start to end, get all the free softwares I'm giving away. Links are in the description, by the way, but don't miss a single section, because if you skip any section, you might not be able to make money. Are we ready? Again, $364,000 for the beginners, using 3 words that people are looking for on the internet. We are also doing the same, but we use our software Epic. Epic is an artificial intelligence software that makes videos and get customers from YouTube using 3 minutes of our time, without using camera, without using microphone, and without using script, because Epic does everything for us. Epic allows us to make videos using images, links, and texts of other people. We don't need to speak because Epic generates natural voiceover from text. Mosh, where is the text coming from? Is that what you're asking? Text is coming from the artificial intelligence built in Epic. I'm going to show you more about this software in the later part of this video, and this is what that will make you the maximum money. But let us begin and start making money right now. The link to Epic software is in the description. It's free for my YouTube viewers. Go grab it. By the way, do you see a text being generated as I speak somewhere at the bottom part of this video? This is a text-to-speech software, AI based, transcribing my voice as I'm speaking. This is one of the AI softwares we use to make money. Back in 2010, my income was low, credit score was low, debts were high, and prices were always going high. So I started thinking, how can I make money from more people instead of limited number of people? And I found internet. People ask simple questions on the internet using Google and YouTube and other places where they hang out. Why don't we answer those questions and make money from them? So we answer people's questions and ask them to click our links. They love our content, they click our links, and we make money. So here is an example. From 2 of our offers, we made $64,000 from 12,000 visitors. So these 12,000 visitors had questions about hosting servers, websites, and another set of people were looking for answers on how to make online stores. We answered their questions and we said, hey, if you like our answer, then there is a better solution, which is my affiliate link. Click this link, get on the sales page, and if you think this is good for you, you can buy it. People loved our offers and they bought it, we made money. So from every single visitor, on the average, we made from one offer $5.71 and from another offer $5.29. So total 12,000 visitors or 12,000 people paid us on the average $5 each, and we made $64,000. Super awesome. This is exactly how we make money on day-to-day basis. Here is another set of results, and there are hundreds of results. You can see other results in my other videos. But let's begin how you can make money right now. This is something that I have never shared in my channel before. So it's totally unique, so stay tuned. From my research, text-to-speech is a 3 words key phrase that people are searching online every single month. Yeah, 300,000 people, look at the volume. 300,000 people look for answers about text-to-speech. And there are more topics about the similar topic. Now, I love YouTube because YouTube sends us all the customers. We searched for text-to-speech and we found 5.82 million people. Search for this keyword, text-to-speech. Now, use my software Epic and make videos using artificial intelligence without camera, without speaking, and without writing text. And these 1-minute videos, which are 1-minute shorts, and publish them on YouTube using 1-minute shorts. Look at them. Look at the results. The first video got 57,000 views. Can you see that? 57,000 views. Second one, 157,000 views. Now, if we make $5 from each visitor, how much money would 157,000 visitors make you? I leave the calculation to you. Let me show you this one video. They used text-to-speech as their main keyword to attract viewers while looking for text-to-speech, although their channel is about a different topic, but they use text-to-speech as their main keyword and they attract text-to-speech viewers. And from this video alone, from 54,000 views, they made $1,620 just by publishing this video. We do the same. We make videos, answer questions, and we ask people in our content, in our videos, hey, click our link in the description or in the first comment and get a better solution. People buy and we make money, and you can make money too. But let me show you more. I'm coming to $364,000. By the way, this can be done from anywhere on the planet, and you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, and cryptocurrency or digital currency if you want. Now, I always look for Udemy because Udemy is a place where you can bundle up your videos that you make for YouTube, and there are 97.3 million customers looking to buy those bundle of videos. This bundle of videos are called online courses. And that's not the best part. The best part is, while 63% of these people are already on Udemy, 20% customers come from Google and 7% customers come from social media. So you are basically getting all this traffic free if you put your bundle of videos on Udemy. Here is an amazing result that this person or this company is enjoying, who made a course or uploaded bundle of videos on Udemy, and it's about text-to-speech, which is transcription. So their course is about how to become a transcriptionist, and from the number of students times their price, the approximate revenue generated from this bundle of videos or this course is $98,214.48, which is close. We are going there. Now, if you want to do it with Udemy, you can do it using Epic. Epic will help you with artificial intelligence, without camera, without microphone, without writing script. The strategy to make these videos or courses is to go to the course content of a course to learn about what they are teaching and what people are buying, and then click on this expand all sections, and all the videos and modules will open in front of you. Then you can go to YouTube and learn about those topics and make your own bundle of videos. Don't make all at once, make one by one and publish them on YouTube as shorts. YouTube will send you traffic, visitors, and customers to your shorts videos because shorts is a new feature on YouTube and they are pushing it hard, trying to make it as much popular as possible to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. Now we are coming to $364,000 that I promised. Fiverr. All the people visiting Fiverr are either sellers or buyers, and they're all making money. Search with Fiverr with transcript and find 6,805 people selling this service on Fiverr. Now we are specifically talking about this person because she has the highest rating, 5 out of 5, and considering 7,289 rating, which is 20% approximately, even normally it gets less than 20%, but let's say 20% customers left a rating and a review, and considering standard price as their average price, $364,450 from 10 minutes of work. 10 minutes of work. Awesome? So it's super simple. Make short videos, put your videos on Udemy, offer your transcription service on Fiverr, and promote everything you have in your videos. Ask your viewers, hey, if you want transcription service, click the link in the description or click the link in the first comment. If you are selling your course in your videos, tell your viewers, if you want to learn about how to become a transcriptionist or how to transcribe, get my course on Udemy. Link is in the description. Or link is in the first comment. They will click your link and look at this. Every click equals money. My artificial intelligent text-to-speech software is in the description. Go grab it. Make videos on YouTube using Epic. Link is in the description. Go grab it and make money. Let's make a product review video using Epic. First, copy the headline, go to the text section and paste the text. Click the add text button to add the text on the canvas. Now here's a beautiful thing. You can copy image address or the link or the URL, go to the image section and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be on the canvas without uploading or downloading hassle. Now add a voiceover, go to the audio section and go down below text to audio, give it a title, select your favorite voiceover artist and paste the text. Then one click of a button and the voiceover is ready. You can use the text to generator artificial intelligence to generate unique text for you anytime you want, for anything you want. Now we want to add another clip. For that, go to the top right section and clone the current clip. Just play with the image size a little bit to fit the image and make room for some text. Copy this product detail text from Amazon and paste it here. Do a little customization and add the text on the canvas. Then play with the size, shape and location to match your taste. Change the type of font if you want. Take a little section from the text and turn it into your audio voiceover. Let's add another clip and upload an image. Image is uploaded and added into the canvas. Add another image, rotate and pan. Play around a little bit to match your taste. This is the technical details section and we need to add another voiceover using text to audio. For the next section, we will take screenshot of a positive feedback or a review from customers. Use the highlighting elements to highlight the important parts of the review. Upload the review on another clip. Name this section as customer review section and copy the link of another image. Add it on the canvas by pasting the link. Little panning and zooming to fit your taste. Take a section of the text and create an text audio voiceover. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be ready in the backend and you will be notified using email when the video is ready.
Sunny Health and Fitness Unisex Adult Review. Buy it from the link in the first comment and in description.
Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online. The easy way, the fast way and the fun way. Please help us reach 100 million people and help them learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way and the fun way. And you can do it by only hitting the like button and sharing this video with your friends and family, social media contacts and everyone you know. We will love you and we will give away our stuff and your friends and family will love you for sharing awesome content and they will become your followers, your subscribers and your customers. And if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we can't wait to see you in our next video.